Hello friends, welcome to Mentugang, and the manager to do a full comparison between Samsung Galaxy J7 2016 and Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime. So it's a full review from design to inbox items to gaming review to camera review to overall performance. So let's start with inbox items. In inbox items, both have same accessories in the box: USB cable and a cheap earphone with 3.5 mm ear jack. And this is your adapter. It's a 1.5 ampere adapter, so it's not a fast charging adapter, it's a normal adapter. So in accessories both are same. Now let's move on to design. On right you will get power key in both devices. Also you will get media speaker in J7 Prime right side. And if we talk about bottom, you will get mic, charging socket and 3.5 mm ear jack in both devices, which is looking same. On left you will get volume keys in both devices. Also you will get SIM and memory card slot, memory card tray in J7 Prime. And top is empty in both devices. J7 Prime is a metallic unibody design, while J7 2016 comes with plastic back cover and metallic edges. If we talk about front, you will get flash calling speaker and proximity sensor in J7 2016, while you will get proximity sensor, calling speaker, a notification LED in J7 Prime. You will get task manager key, physical home button and back button in both devices. In J7 Prime, home button is also a fingerprint sensor. So that was about design. Now let's move on to specification. Here I am using CPU Jet to explain about specification. So let's start with processor. So here you are getting 1.6 GHz octa-core processor with Mali 830 GPU. And if we talk about CPU brand, you are getting Exynos 7870 processor in both devices. Also you are getting 3 GB of RAM in J7 Prime, while 2 GB of RAM in J7 2016. You are getting 16 GB internal memory in both devices. Now let's move on to operating system. Here you are getting 6.0.1 Marshmallow operating system. You will get 3300 mAh battery in both devices. And if you talk about sensor, here you will get accelerometer, proximity sensor, orientation sensor in both devices. Also you will get grip sensor extra in J7 2016, which is not available in J7 Prime. You will get 10.2 GB of free space in J7 Prime out of 16 GB, and you will get approximately 11 GB of free space in J7 2016 out of 16 GB. Also you will get 1.6 GB of free space of RAM in J7 Prime and approximately 700 MB of free RAM in J7 2016. So let's move on to UI. Both devices come with Samsung TouchWiz UI, which is based on Marshmallow 6.0.1 operating system. And this is your settings UI, which is looking same in both devices, as you can see. And if we talk about icons, pack and menu, which is also looking same. Also you will get Facebook preloaded in J7 Prime, which is not available in J7 2002, but it's not a big thing. Also you will get theme store in both devices, so you can download more things for your device. And this is your notification panel. In J7 Prime you will get Sport Planning Mode extra and Smart View extra, which is not available in J7 2016, while you will get NFC in J7 2016, which is not available in J7 Prime. And both devices also support OTG. So now let's move on to display. You will get 5.5 inch Full HD PLS display with 401 ppi in J7 Prime, while you will get 5.5 inch HD Super AMOLED display with 267 ppi in J7 2016. So in terms of quality, J7 2016 display is much better than J7 Prime, while if in terms of resolution and PPI, J7 Prime's display is much better than J7 2016. I have already made many videos about display comparison, and here I am telling again. You will get natural colors in TFT, and you will get sharper color, brighter colors and beautiful colors in Super AMOLED. And here you can see the color difference: natural colors in TFT and brighter colors in Super AMOLED. And this is outdoor mode test, and both devices are on outdoor mode. And here you can see Super AMOLED is much brighter than TFT, but you can also use your J7 Prime in direct sunlight or in outdoor mode without any problem. And if we talk about viewing angle, here you can see both devices are good for any viewing angle. Now let's move on to performance, and here I am doing AnTuTu benchmark test to know which device is better than other in gaming, in multitasking, in common use and in RAM management. So let's see the results. These are the scores for both devices, and here you can see J7 2016 is beating to J7 Prime with a big difference. So let's start with 3D. 3D tells the story about gaming performance. So here you can see J7 2016 is completely beating to J7 Prime. Although the punchline is same for both devices, game performance is mid-level, but the scores are just double in J7 2016 as compared to J7 Prime. So if you are going to purchase a new device only for gaming, then J7 2016 is a better option than J7 Prime. Now move on to UI scores. For UI, both have achieved same numbers, so you will get same response in both devices from UI or operating system. And if we talk about CPU, here you can see CPU scores are also same in both devices, and punchline is mid to high end, support large apps and multitasking, so you can do good multitasking on both devices without any problem. Also you can run large apps and applications like GTA and Asphalt on both devices. So let's move on to RAM scores, and here you can see RAM scores are same for both devices. J7 2016 comes with 2GB of RAM, while J7 Prime comes with 3GB of RAM. Still both devices have achieved the same numbers, so I can't understand how can it be possible, but leave that and move on to camera. Both devices have 13 megapixel rear camera with LED flash. You can record full HD video from both devices rear camera. Quick launch also there, so you can quick launch your camera by pressing home key twice quickly. And if we talk about camera modes, you will get Pro modes, Panorama modes, Beauty effects, HDR and Night mode in both devices. So that was about rear camera. Now let's move on to front camera. J7 Prime comes with 8 megapixel front camera, while J7 2016 comes with 5 megapixel front camera. Both devices have beauty effect features, and it's a advanced beauty effect feature, so you can trim your face and enlarge your eyes. If we talk about camera modes, you will get different type of camera modes in both devices like sound and shot and wide angle selfie. Also you can record full HD video in both devices, and if we talk about way of taking selfie, you will get tap to take pics and gesture control in both devices. Also you will get front LED flash in J7 2016 while screen flash in J7 Prime. So let's see some camera results. Picture quality of both devices rear camera is very good and same. I can't find any issue with both devices rear camera. But when we move on to front camera, here you can see the difference. You will get brighter picture in J7 Prime as compared to J7 2016. So that was my full review about J7 Prime versus J7 2016. So you will get NFC, grip sensor, better gaming experience, brighter display, front LED flash in J7 2016, which is not available in J7 Prime. While you will get S4 planning mode, S secure mode, fingerprint sensor, better display, screen flash in J7 Prime, and these features are not available in J7 2016. Here I am telling brighter display because you will get Super AMOLED in J7 2016, which is much brighter than J7 Prime. While I am telling better display, it's mean you will get high resolution display with high PPI in J7 Prime, which is much better display than J7 2016. So I hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.